Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders headquarters. It is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. So I am on the back side of the place, so this will be the west side. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's already 90 degrees. Today we have a heat advisory that's going to be, I think they said 106 to 108 degrees today. They said it was about 15 degrees above normal. I didn't want to come here too late. And there's just a slight breeze, so it's already getting hot. Okay, so you can see all these cars parked in the lot over here. So they got a lot of people on site working today. From here I could see something going up this side, but I can't tell what it is from where I'm at. Kind of appears like it's a stairway going up to the roof area above, like this would be the roof area, like above the locker room training facility. I never noticed that there before, because then that's the area where the pool is supposed to be, also right down there behind them trucks. And if we look up at the main, they got this lift over here. Nobody's on it. Pretty sure that's the lift they're going up and down the building to excuse me, they're going up and down the building to clean it. And some of the panels you can see were pretty dirty. Okay, I guess I'll go around towards the front, get closer, see what we can see. Alright, I'm on the north side now, more towards the back of the field house area. And we can see they put all these trees they were working on, putting them last time I was out here. And then now we got you can see the grader there, and they're just gonna finish that area over here. Moving a lot of dirt around. And then there's that area that had all them pipes that you used to be able to see, so you can see how they enclosed that. Not sure if they're grading all this out to pave it more. From this view, you can't really see what they're spreading out. Alright, then there's land in front of me. I'm assuming it's just going to be more of these big commercial warehouses. Because if I swing towards Raiders Way, they've got this semi-trailer there and just saying for lease. So this will just end up being some more. This whole area is like industrial area. A lot of warehouses out here. Okay, let me move more towards the front so we can see what's going on up there. Alright, I am now on the northeast corner. This is just the side. You can see the good part of the building, the front. So if we look where they have this porte-cochere to cover, they do got they put up these forms across the front. So let's look at the, so you can see this post here. They got this, looks more like a round, or column, versus the other one still just looks like the piece of steel. So that's new. And if we pan over here, you can see the base. So that's the base where the torch is going to go. Still just the metal framing. So they haven't done much more. They're working down along the street, so I can't really go that way, but I'll walk down along across the street. I'm just trying to see. It looks like you can see this red pickup here. It's like, seems like it's going to be a Yesco, the sign company truck. So maybe they're working on putting some signage out front. So I'll have to go to the front and we'll see if we could see anything. Alright, I'm now on the south side. This is the field side. So if we look, we got the guys coming down on that lift. We'll just wait and see what they're going to be doing. I'm thinking they're washing the sides, but I'm trying to see. I don't really see anything on the lift with them. Okay, so you can see the grass. I did read in the review journal that they're talking about they might skip Napa and just come straight here. So I don't know when they're gonna decide that by, but they might just come right here for that. Alright, so when I started the video, I was showing what I thought was a stairwell. So I guess this would be what I was looking at. So it appeared like it was going up on the other side, like the same direction as that big cherry picker. I don't know if they're moving it or it's just optical illusion where I was standing. So it looks like it's pretty much in there. So it's on the back side, the little corner. It's just optical illusion with all the stripes going down the side of the building. I thought I was looking at something else. Yeah, all these guys, I don't know if they just got out of a meeting or what. But that's the area where the swimming pool is. Thank you to everyone that's sending me the drone footage. You can see where they have the hole in there for the pool. So the governor was supposed to speak last night, but he canceled his speech, so he just put out some information. So starting Friday, like, more things are going to be able to open, like gyms and movie theaters and stuff like that, you know, with limited capacity. And then the casinos are able to start opening on the June 4th. So they're not all going to open just at once. It's going to be, you know, certain properties will open, I think, just to see how it goes. So mine so far, I haven't heard anything when that's going to open, so I was hoping it's soon. Yeah, so they got some big, you can see some semi parked up front. They're probably unloading supplies and stuff. Not sure if they're using any of the offices yet up front. I heard some rumors that some of them are in use already. Okay, I'm gonna zoom all the way out, and then we're gonna check out the stadium. Okay, so you can see that lift right there, right at the top of the stratosphere. Okay, and there's the stadium right there. Okay, and when we zoom out, that's the 12 miles away. So the stadium is, the main road to turn on the Raiders Way is St. Rose Parkway, and they have an exit on the 15. So just past that, keep going north for about 12 miles, get off on Russell Road, and then it'll take you right to the stadium. Trying to see what they're doing over here with this lift. Look like he's carrying something there. So it looks like he has some more panel. Looked like he had a panel just like the ones they're putting up, that they put on the sides. Could be for some finished work right along the top. I don't see anything missing on the sides, but and you can just see how they got these garage doors, which appear to be like they have like a glass garage doors. Okay, let's get to the front and see what's going on over there. I was just getting ready to leave, but we got this group of people again. Just gonna try to zoom in. Maybe could be players getting a tour, or office people. The viewfinder, I can't tell, you know, I can't see anything clear enough to See if it's anyone we're supposed to recognize. Okay, I'm now on this would be the southeast side. Alright, so from here you can also see that the big form that goes up or going across the front. So I'm thinking they're putting up like a wall and it's gonna say Las Vegas Raiders across that. I did see some renderings before that had that. If that says anything on my viewfinder, I can't read it. There were just a couple people out on this balcony. Wanted to see if it was Gruden or someone up there getting a look at the place, but they went in right before I got set up. Alright, so if we look down through the fence, you can see they still have all these temporary construction offices there. And we got the South Drive. When I drove past it, there was someone sitting in there. I don't know if he's checking people in and out as they come in. And back there you can see the fields. Alright, so as everyone's been saying, it doesn't appear like this will be done on the 1st, being it's the 27th already. So the rumor was that it's extended a few weeks just because of the what you call the virus. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Alright, that's all I got for today. It's getting kind of hot. I was gonna walk down to see what's going on at the front there, but we'll save that for next time. So if you want to get updates and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. You get updates on this headquarters as well as the stadium. And then I just signed up for an Instagram page also, so if you have Instagram, you can follow me there. That I just post different pictures and stuff like that that you wouldn't get in the videos. So that is Duntov67. So Raider Nation, everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you guys next time. I just was coming home from the headquarters filming that, and I stopped to check my mail, and I got a package from Ernie out of Long Beach. I'm pretty sure I know what Ernie sells. Oh wow. Cool, so Ernie works for, hope I don't say it wrong, but it's Sterling Inc. or I know I'm butchering it up. Sterling Link. He has a Instagram page. I'll put the link below in the description. So he makes Raiders chains, all different kinds. Look at that. We got a stadium magnet. Cool. Look at that. Stadium magnet. Wow, that looks good too. Got the shield. So you can see the shield, and then they got the chains. That's a cool looking chain too. Just the way it's like a, it's got the black. So I'm not gonna have it hooked up, but how's that look? Pretty cool. Wow, didn't have to send all this. Oops, don't want to break anything. Oh wow, this one's got the stadium on the back. Raiders 2020. And then Las Vegas Raiders, and then another chain. So Ernie, thanks a lot. This will get me all geared up for the games. So I'm gonna put the description. He has a whole bunch of different ones that they make. I'll put his link to his Instagram in the description. Really appreciate it. Thank you. These are cool. I like this one here with the 2020. Much appreciated, Ernie. Thank you. Okay, so there's the site, Sterling Teak, custom sports jewelry. So they do have Facebook also. I'll have to see where that's at.